Prepare to be bedazzled because today another note for the epic bout is slated to commence in Nickelodeon Super Brawl 2. Without further ado, without further delay, without further procrastination, let's allow the frivolities, antics, and trivialities to ensue. Here we go. Today Monkey will be pitted up against the legendary, revered, venerated, iconic, renowned, illustrious, stoic, vigilante, known as Timmy. Is he Cleft? He just may be. Will he pummel me to death, clobber me to death, and pulverize me into submission? We will find out, stay tuned. Will he render me a decedent, a cadaver, or a carcass? We will find out, stay tuned. Is he going to martyr me, maim me, mangle me, mutilate me, brutalize me, ravage me, decimate me, and incapacitate me? We will find out, stay tuned. His defenses are not insalable, they are not inviolable, they are not impregnable, they are not impenetrable. Can I ascertain a chink in his defenses? Fortunately, I managed to miraculously prevail. I hope that you are bedazzled, regaled, captivated, mesmerized, amused, enthralled, and of course, entrenched in the unalloyed epicness. Have a blissful day. Goodbye.